Sorry again for the silent video, but again I was quiet because I was concentrating, and it definitely pays off. I mean, I know I've said this in the last video, but the proof's in the pudding. Well, certainly for me anyway. Whilst I'm trying to talk and describe what I'm doing in a lock, I'm not fully concentrating on the lock, so my times tend to be very high when I pick the highest security locks. This here, it's a tough lock to pick. It's a UNION-ASSA-ABLOY 6-pin, and the tolerances on this were really high. Well, I thought they were, because the first few times I picked it, this is only the second time I've opened this lock, you get really good feedback. It's an excellent lock to pick, because you get mint feedback, and it's not just a case of going from back to front. You pick it. It's very fine picking and really taking your time, and you've got to have really good tension control. Otherwise you'll get to like pin 5 and it'll reset the full lock. So I'm buzzing I got it in that time, so let's get it gutted and see what's inside. Yeah, absolutely buzzing that's there. So I'm going to be using this hook kit. I'll get this off. I have loosened, here's that bad boy. It's pretty loose. I have loosened it already. And we'll see if we can get a good gutting this time. So let's spin around so it jams up a bit, and put the little tool in. Hopefully this will work. It will, yeah. Try and keep everything neat in this video because I showed myself up on the last one. So what do we do first? Do we do key pins or the driver pins? I'm dying to know what's in here, and I can kind of see what's in there, so let's get the key pins out first. So key pin 6 is standard. I didn't think there was going to be anything special up top for the key pins actually, so I wasn't wrong. The standards. Standard. I'll try and replicate the key as well by just lining the shear line up the top of the pins just so you can get an idea. And that one's stuck to my thing. So if we just put that like that, you can kind of see what the bitting would be like. Just zoom down a little bit like that. The puppy. So you can see that it's not too funky, to be honest. But let's see what's in this puppy. I've got my little tool here, if I pick the right one, so it's Laura didn't. Oh. Is it going to work or is it not? Yeah. The lock gods have been nice to us tonight. So key pin 1, driver pin 1, this is spool, and what's that spring? So where's the other tweezers? And steel spring. Just get this sorted so it's right. Driver 2 is a spool. And another steel spring. 3. Another spool. I wouldn't be surprised if they were all spools, to be honest, because they all felt like spools. Seeing that, number 4, I did feel a little serration in it, but it might have just been me. Unless there's something going on. That's a spool pin. And what we got? We have standard spring, another spool, the last one, another spool. There's the other 2 springs. Both steel, all steel springs, all spool pins. As for in here, there's nothing in there. There's no thread, no countermilling or anything like that. Let's just check on here. So yeah, it is undercut there, which is probably why. I was thinking I was setting pins and I wasn't, so every single one of them is being rimmed out, so it makes it a little bit more challenging, a little bit more interesting. So yeah, I think from now on, I think I'll just have a little bit of a talk at the end of the videos, maybe introduce the lock in the beginning, and just concentrate on picking, to be honest with you. I really enjoyed this video. It was a really nice lock, some really great feedback. I'm hoping it plays back well on video. So if you could be very kind and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like and comment on the video. All feedback's always welcome. If you want to get in contact with us, please do so through the About page. It's got my email address on, or you can see us over on UKLP Facebook group, which is the links here. I'm also on Instagram, Tumblr and Twitter, so if you want, shout out to us there. I'll always respond, as with all the comments. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I've really enjoyed this one, and the gutting wasn't a train wreck for once.